In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Phantom wallet to another device. Whether you're transitioning to a new phone, using a friend's computer momentarily, or simply want access on multiple devices, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Phantom Wallet app on your current device. Make sure you're logged into your account because this ensures that everything is set up correctly and ready to be configured on another device. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Here, you should see your balance and the various tokens you possess, along with several features you can utilize, such as receiving, sending, swapping, and buying cryptocurrencies. It's a familiar layout that you know well by now. Next, you'll want to locate and click on your profile. This should take you into the Settings menu of the app. In this Settings area, find and click on Settings, and then navigate to Security and Privacy. This is where you need to focus for our next step. Once you've clicked on Security and Privacy, look for the option to show your recovery phrase. This phrase is extremely sensitive information, so it's critical that no one else sees it. Go ahead and copy it carefully, keeping it private and secure. This recovery phrase is the key to accessing your wallet on a new device. Now, let's imagine you're using a different device, and this could be either a computer or a mobile device. If you're on a computer, you'll want to head over to the Phantom website. For mobile users, the process will involve visiting the Play Store to download the Phantom app. Since we're focusing on a PC in this guide, you'll go ahead and click on the Download section on the Phantom website and select the Chrome extension option. Afterward, click Add to Chrome and then Add to Extension. This will install the Phantom Wallet extension on your browser, setting it up for your use. With the extension installed, you'll be greeted with two options: Create New Wallet and I Already Have a Wallet. Because we're setting up an existing wallet on this new device, click on I Already Have a Wallet. You'll be prompted to import your recovery phrase, which we copied earlier. Go ahead and paste the recovery phrase into the provided field and then click Import. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Phantom wallet to this new device. Doing so provides you with seamless access to your funds across multiple platforms. Remember, the security of your recovery phrase is vital, so keep it safe and private. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial makes connecting your Phantom wallet as straightforward as possible.